Action.
ఏంటిలో చూస్తున్నావు ఏం లేకపోతే ఇంట్లో చూస్తున్నావు ఇదిగో ఇంకోసారి చెప్పండి ఎండగా ఉన్న బయట వచ్చారంటే ఉద్యోగం ఉండిపోతాయి.
The best movie in my entire life career is Avanu. Recognize me like Avanu heroine. So once again, Avanu 2 is coming. Thank you so much to Ravi Babu sir. It was nice working with him. He's little difficult to work with him. A lot of strictness, everything, but we enjoy that because once we come to the location, we're coming for work. So I really feel this is when Avanu shoot was happening. This is what acting and everything, and working with him third time, Avanu, Laddu Babu, and again Avanu too. So thank you so much, sir. And this movie is my what should I say? Acting wise, everything involved in this movie. So even though if I come out of this industry and after my so many years, this Avanu will be there till my day for sure.
సర్టిఫికేట్ డూప్లికేట్ అయి ఉండొచ్చు, సీడీ మార్కింగ్ చేసి ఉండొచ్చు.
First day. I'm sorry, I'm bleeding on the wall, which is not allowed in the set. I don't know, this Avanu 2 is happening. It's like a dream for me. Because while doing Avanu 1, we never thought that it will become a franchise here. So, and I'm happy this time the making is being done so that people can see what happens on the sets. So Ravi sir is he's a very disciplined person. I think because he's very intelligent, he has a lot of clarity, and that's why he's very very clear about his way of shooting. And every day he comes with us. With a very pakka kind of planning. So I think industry appreciates him a lot, obviously, and they will see that he's bringing new things to the filmmaking scenario, and I'm really enjoying a lot of new stuff here. So I'll keep updating you every day. So catch you soon.
Hi guys, so this is Sanjana here, and I'm playing a pivotal, a very good role of a ghost buster in Avanu 2. So from the very tone of the location, you realize that okay, yes, now I've really entered a horror film set or a suspense thriller set. So that feel comes from within, from the outside, from everywhere, and working for Avanu was like going back to school for me, with a lot of technical aspects, from working with the 3 cameras simultaneously for every shot to Ravi Babu sir's techniques and everything. I think I really loved the experience. Thank you Ravi Babu sir for having me here.
Avanu Part 2, Ravi Babu's movie. I was actually in Dubai and suddenly phone chasing Ravi Babu. Nikita, what are you doing? So there's a Telugu projects. I was like, Ravi, are you sure? He says, yeah, Anasuya and I, we both work together. So after 5 years, we do, and he's like, the script is really good, awesome. And I already watched part 1, so I was like, chala excitement in the. So I said, sorry, let's do it and all that stuff.
ఇంకోసారి
It's my first movie. Working with him is like learning a lot of things. చిన్న చిన్న విషయాన్ని కూడా ఎంత సీరియస్గా తీసుకోవాలి, ఎక్కడ ఎంత ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ ఇవ్వాలి, దేనికి ఏది కరెక్ట్గా సరిపోతుందన్నది ఆయన పర్ఫెక్ట్గా చేయిస్తున్నారు. అండ్ ఐఎమ్ లవింగ్ మై క్యారెక్టర్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ఐమ్ డూయింగ్. ఈ సినిమాలో ఒక స్పెషాలిటీ ఉంది. ఈ సినిమాలో మాకు స్క్రిప్ట్ కోసం ఎక్కడ పేపర్ వాడలేదు. వీఆర్ జస్ట్ యూజింగ్ ఆల్ డిజిటల్ ఫార్మాట్ స్క్రిప్ట్. సో వాళ్ళ ల్యాప్టాప్ నుంచి కానీ ట్యాబ్ నుంచి కానీ దే ఫార్వర్డ్ మీ ద స్క్రిప్ట్ టు మై ఫోన్. ఐ రీడ్ ఆన్ దట్ అండ్ సే దట్ వే ఎన్విరాన్మెంటల్ ఫ్రెండ్లీ, పేపర్ వాడలేదు. నెక్స్ట్ థింగ్ ఈజ్ టెక్నికల్లీ చాలా అడ్వాన్స్గా వెళ్తున్నాం. అంటే నాట్ మచ్ ఆఫ్ లైట్స్, వెరీ ఫ్యూ లైట్స్, లిమిటెడ్ టెక్నికల్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్స్ తోటి మ్యాక్సిమం అవుట్పుట్ ఇస్తున్నారు ఇక్కడ. అండ్ వాట్ ఎల్స్ కెన్ ఐ సే, ఐఎమ్ డూయింగ్ అ వెరీ గుడ్ క్యారెక్టర్. క్యాచ్ ఇన్ ది థియేటర్స్.
Jenna, goddess of America. You say that.
Now in that style, how will I say?
No, no. How? Not like that.
Sir, how will I say it right now?
Jenna.
You say it.